So you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to showcase the front end that I created for my backend, the backend that I explained to you in my last video. So I've created the front end part and I've connected both the front end and the back end together. So I want to showcase the content to you now, the front end to you, and I'll be able to test the endpoints coming from the front end part, and you will see how it works. So now let's dive right into the video. So you are welcome to the video. So we are going to be testing some endpoint, but by the way, before we start, let me inform you that I have deployed this project online on Render. Both the front end and the back end are on Render, so they can speak to each other now. And I'm testing using the deployed endpoints. So now let's first of all try to register a new user. Let me say Ayokunle. By the way, this is my younger brother. Is also an animator. If you need a 3D animator, you can reach out to me. So let's try to sign up now. Communicating with the backend. Password and confirm password do not match. Let's check. So, oh, sorry, it do not match really. So let's try again. So email verification link has been sent to your email address. So let's check the email address. But before that, let's check the database to check if we have the necessary details that we are supposed to have. So now we have the new user. Let's check the token. Verification token. We have the verification token. So now let's go to the email address to verify the user. So this is the email address, and we have the email verification message inside this place. So click on it. We now click on verify email address to verify the user. Let's wait and see what's going to give us. Loading. So email verification successful. You can log in. So if we now go to our token, if you refresh this place, we now see the token again. It has gone. If we go to our users, we will now see that our user is verified true. So now if you want to log in now, we can log in. So let's try to log in with the new user that we created. That's full house. So when I click on login, trying to log in the user. So invalid credentials, that's because our password is not correct. So I decided to put an invalid password. So when I click on login now, supposed to log in the user. So login successful and it's loading. So this place, this is the feeds area. Is trying to fetch the feeds, and if you cannot fetch feeds, it say follow some users to see the feed post, because the posts that you see here are the posts that people that you follow post. Now I can decide to search for a particular user that I know is inside the database. So I have Adenike Tolu inside the database. I search for Adenike Tolu, and it's going to look for Adenike Tolu from the database and return Adenike Tolu and our post. So if I follow Adenike Tolu now, if I click on follow, it's going to load and follow. It has saved inside the database, Adenike followed. So if I unfollow now, it's going to tell me that Adenike Tolu unfollowed. So, but let me follow. So when I follow Adenike Tolu, you see the followers of Adenike Tolu increased from 3 to 4. So now if I go down to the home page now, I will see Adenike Tolu's post. So now I also have some other people. Let me see Adeyod. If I search for Adeyod, it's going to bring Adeyod and his post. It has brought Ayodeji Adibolu is the Adeyod. So I can also follow Adeyod. Adeyod is having 4 followers now also. So if I come to this place now, it's going to bring Adenike Tolu's post and Adeyod post. Can you see? So now I can decide to like Adenike Tolu's post, which brings the like to 4. I can also like Adeyod post, which is going to increase the number of posts that we have here to 3. So I can decide to reply. If I click on reply now, I can send my reply. This is a nice post. Keep it up. And if I click on reply, it's going to increase the number of replies here to 3. So if I try to fetch this particular post, it's going to display the post and all the replies. So you see the reply there. This is a nice post. Keep it up. This reply is from Full House. This one is from Banky. This one is from Middleware Debugger. So also let's try to update this particular user that I created. You know, the user doesn't have an image here. If I click on update profile and I click on change avatar, I can decide to put any particular image that I like there. So for example, let me put this image. It's going to display here. You can see the image here now, and I can also change my bio to, let's say, I am a 3D animator. So you don't have the opportunity to change your password and your email address. So now if I click on submit, it's going to load and do the necessary things on the back end, and it's going to reply with a message to the front end, which is going to be displayed on the front end. So let's wait a little bit for the backend to finish its job. User profile updated successfully. So since user profile has updated successfully, if I go to this page again, it's going to load and change this AA to an image. To that image, it's going to fetch that image and display it here. So I think it's my network that is causing the delay. So can you see now that the image has displayed here? So it's fetching this image from the database. Through the database, is calling the database, and the database return with the string that we pull the image from Cloudinary that we use to store the image. So now I can decide to create a post. I am a 3D animator. By the way, my younger brother is a 3D animator. If you need a 3D artist, you can contact me. I will link you up with my brother. So I can decide to add an image. So if I want to add an image, I can, let me say, add this particular image. See, so if I click on post now, it's going to post the post. It's going to post it, and it's going to display here as part of the post that this particular user created. So post created successfully. Can you see the post now? This is the post. So all these images are being stored in Cloudinary. So I can decide to also delete post. So now let's delete this post. If I click on this delete, it's going to say, are you sure you want to delete this post? If I click OK, it's going to delete it. If I click cancel, it's going to remove this, and it's going to leave the post. So let's delete the post. So it's going to get deleted now. When it deletes, it's going to return with a message, and this one is going to be deleted. So post deleted successfully. So we can also decide to create another post. If I decide not to add an image, it's still going to post. So I can click on this to log out. So that's going to log the user out. So, and it's going to return the user to the page, to the login page. So if you want to sign up as a new user, you can sign up, or you can come to the login page. So I can log in as Adeyod. Adeyod's login successful. Because Adeyod is following Adenike Tolu, that's why Adeyod is seeing this particular post. Adeyod cannot see full house post because Adeyod is not following full house. So but if I now search for full house, and I decide to follow, so that means Adeyod will also be able to view full house post. So this is full house post. So if I see full house doesn't have any followers, but it's following some people. So if I click on follow now, it's going to change this place to 1. And if I come to the home page, it's going to display the post of full house and that of Adenike Tolu. So I can decide also to like the post. So it's going to increase the like. If I unlike, it's going to reduce it. So let's like it, and I can also message and reply to that post. So let's see. So reply added successfully. So if I click on it has one reply, one like. If I click on the post, it's going to show me the post, the particular post, and all the replies to the post. I think that's all for that end. I will also make another video to show you the one that I'm working on. Is called the real-time chat of users, just like the way it's being done on WhatsApp, whereby you send message immediately, another user sees it, and the other user can also reply you immediately. So thank you for watching. Also, I'm still going to add some other features to this particular project, because on the login page I'm supposed to put a particular button here to allow user who forgot their password to reset password. So I have those endpoints ready, but I'm still working on the front end. But before I do that, I want to do the real-time chatting of two users, so that I will do the video of that one for you guys to also watch. So thank you for watching. You can also follow me on all social media platforms. And if you have a particular project on software development or website development like this, you can also reach out to me. So once again, let me show you that the page is responsive. So you can see it's responsive. This is how it's going to look on mobile device. See you in my next video.